While preparing for UGC NET, that first question that haunts everyone is how to prepare, how to set out the journey. The syllabus is like a vast sea and the shore is receding. We don't know which route should we take to reach the shore. I can suggest something from my experience, that we must fight it from two sides. One is theoretically and number two is practically. What do we mean by theoretically? By theoretically, I mean that we must have a thorough, comprehensive reading over the syllabus, history of literature, theory, criticism, literary terms, non-British literature, everything. We must have a thorough reading through books, Google, we can consult, whatever it is, that is a vast reading. And then we must have to practice. There are so many books available in the market. You can buy any one and just start practice. And must solve the previous year's questions. Give mock test. Mock test is very important because mock test and solving question just boost your, not immunity, but boost your guessing power and make you confidence. Okay, I don't know the answer, but I think it may be this. This guessing power is very important because you cannot know everything. That is not possible. So you must have that guessing power. And how you can gain that? Not reading from morning to night. Not reading, you can do that. You just have to practice. So, plan your day. Just part your day in different parts. Keep some time for paper 1. Okay. Now for paper 2, again divide it. Keep some time for theoretical reading. That is called thorough reading. And keep some time for practice. It depends on you. Which time you prefer for your theoretical reading and which time you prefer for your practice and giving mock test. Okay. Now for practice, I am suggesting you that you must carry your practice set wherever you go. In doctor's chamber, in bus, train, wherever you are just waiting, in waiting mode. Don't scroll on the mobile. Okay, don't scroll over the mobile. Mobile is not good. It is just making you servant. Be the master. Scroll over the mock test. Scroll over the practice pages. You know, the most time I used to practice in bus when I get a seat. I can assure you, as I don't get enough time for theoretical studies, I depend mostly on practice and solving previous year's question and taking notes. While solving previous year's question, I have to consult Google. And while consulting Google, most of the time I don't get the correct answer. But I get too much related information. Let me take note. Your brain cannot keep everything. You must have the habit of taking note. Whatever you get, just take a note, short note, brief note, like a mind map. You can revise them in your last hour. So that is the question. And so you must carry your mock test, your practice set wherever you go. Even you can carry them in latrine if you are comfortable with it. I think so. And I want to give some strategies, some areas that you should cover, but not in this video. I will make another video and I will give you. What I am doing, I am just providing you the history of literature in a storytelling way, in a easy way, so that you can understand. I feel so. And you must read them and take short note on important topics. And I started from Old English period and before Old English, prehistoric period. That is not in the syllabus. But I started to have a comprehensive way. Not to start abruptly. Just to keep the thread smooth. And what another thing I am doing, I am giving 10 facts a day. These 10 facts I have taken from previous year's questions. So you must take notes of them. They will be helpful. Okay. So You must keep faith on me. I am telling you. Being a mother of a little baby, too much little then, and morning to night job and household chores, even I can crack it in one chance, just because I focus on practice. And most of the time I practice in bus and I'm off periods. So if I can, you can. I'm sure. Okay? Just go on. Thank you.